What's up, YouTube family? Welcome back to my channel. Today is the last installment of the Calendar Kit Crush. OMG, I cannot believe it. Finally come to an end. Thank you for joining me today. I'm so glad. I'm going to let you just watch this video and I'm going to explain to you what today means. Today means another giveaway. Yay, another giveaway. So what we're going to do is I want you guys to comment in the section below, the description box below, and tell me which video in the Calendar Kit Crush series was your favorite and why. The winner will be announced probably, this is coming out on a Wednesday, so I'm going to give you until Friday. No, I'll give you until next Wednesday to leave your comment of which video is your favorite and why. And the winner will receive a calendar kit. And we're going to be crushing that calendar kit together. I'm so excited for this. I've waited. This is long awaited for. So we're going to crush that calendar kit together. And whoever wins will get all of the details of that. So I'm so excited. So I'll announce the winner next Friday. So this is coming out on Wednesday. You have until the following Wednesday to get your comments in the description box below. And I will announce the winner on next Friday. So I'm going to put some music on and let you guys watch the rest of this video so you can determine if it is your favorite. Thank you for joining my channel, guys. I appreciate and love each and every one of you. And let's finish up the video. Have a great day. Like, comment, and subscribe.